So here's the tutorial about how to use and read your pattern. To prepare your pattern, you're going to need the pattern itself and then a variety of pens or pencils, whatever you feel comfortable with really, and a ruler as well. On your pattern you should have 4 arrows, one at the top, one at the bottom, and one on the left and one on the right. When you join these arrows up, it will show you where the centre of your pattern is. So, the first thing we're going to do is join up the arrows. Use a ruler to join the top and bottom arrows, and then the arrows from the left to the right. Where the lines cross is where the absolute centre of your pattern is, and when I start sewing I always start from the stitch that is in the top right of that centre point. So look for that now on your pattern. You should be able to find it by seeing where the lines meet, finding that centre point, and then looking to the right hand side at the top of that. Here's another tip for you. You might want to mark off what you're doing as you go along, and for that you might want to use a chunky felt tip or a pencil to cross out each box. It's entirely up to you. You might not want to do this at all. You might want to leave the pattern clear to use again another day, but it's a good way of making sure that you don't count incorrectly or stitch the same stitch more than once. So there you go, you know how to use your pattern and you are ready to sew.